Hello, and welcome to Unit 4. This is the introduction and the overview to our study of theater in ancient Rome. And while, of course, we're still in what scholars and historians would call the classical era, the culture of ancient Rome is quite different from that of ancient Greece. So, since the history, politics, economics are so different, of course, the arts and the theater are very different as well. So, first, we're going to talk about some of the differences between ancient Rome and ancient Greece. We're going to talk a little bit about the history and the culture and the development of ancient Rome. And we're also going to talk about the variety of new theatrical activities that exist in ancient Rome. And then we're going to investigate some of the key plays of the era. We're going to read a play by Seneca, and we're going to read Seneca's version of Medea. And of course, what we'll see immediately is the difference between the ancient Greek tragedians and this Roman master, Seneca. We're going to see, of course, the influence of the ancient Greek tragedians, but we're going to find new dramaturgical innovations, and we're going to see a very different spin on the Medea tale, which I think will interest and entertain you. And then, of course, we're going to read a play by one of the geniuses of Roman comedy, Plautus. When the Romans looked back towards comedy, they did not look as far back as Aristophanes, but they were, of course, influenced by Menander. And so we're going to see the strong connection between Menander and Plautus. As a matter of fact, Plautus took a lot of his plots and a lot of his character types from Menander and used that same boy meets girl type of plot. So we're going to see, again, the connection between the ancient Greek form, but we're going to see some new dramaturgical innovations and a new spin on this comic form. So we're also going to look ahead about the influence of these Roman plays on later forms. So on the one hand, we're going to look at the connection between Greek plays and Roman plays, and we're going to look and talk briefly about the connection between Roman plays and their influence on the plays of the Renaissance, in particular the English Renaissance. So I hope you'll enjoy these plays and the investigation of the forms of Roman theater.